Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Logging into the Bank of America mobile app is a straightforward process, but it's important to have a few things ready. Before you begin, make sure you've already enrolled in Bank of America's online banking, as your user ID and password for the mobile app will be the same. Here's how to log in to the Bank of America mobile app. 1. Open the app. Locate and open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Enter your credentials. On the login screen, you will be prompted to enter your user ID and passcode. These are the same credentials you use for online banking. 3. Choose your security preference. Optional. If you have a device with fingerprint or Face ID capability, you may be given the option to set up biometric login for future access. This allows you to log in with a simple touch or glance, adding an extra layer of convenience and security. 4. Complete a security step. For your protection, you may occasionally be asked to complete an additional security step, such as entering an authorization code sent to your phone or email, or verifying your identity with your debit card information. This is a common security measure to ensure it's really you logging in. 5. Access your account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials and completed any security steps, you will be logged into your account and can begin managing your finances. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.